Yeah, what a crappy day, huh? We're at the RV pit stop in Quartzsite, dumping our tanks, and we'll be getting water. Fill up our water tank. Then we'll be on our way. After spending 13 nights in Quartzsite, we decided that we had to move. Hi. Hi. Who's that good girl? Yeah. Yeah, you didn't particularly want to move today after all this time in here. Having to go back in the truck, but that's the way it's going to be now for a while. So we drove through California a little bit on our way to Nevada. And we're in the Lake Mead area. This is called Poverty Flats BLM. Something like that. There's a lot more people here kind of together than the spread out area that we were in before, but that's how it goes. We have this nice view. So being BLM land, there's no hookups, and we doubt that we're even going to use this fire ring because there's rain in the forecast. And it was rain that we went through, and the roads were already dusty. And so that's our water heater making all that noise. Right. This thing. And because there was dust on the road and then the rain, the splash on the from people driving by was dirty. So here we are with a filthy vehicle again. Can't even look out these windows. Makes it darker in there. And we're just going to get a sample of this area because we have to be back. And we have an agenda, but I think we're staying here for 3 nights. And I know Hoover Dam is in the area, and there's Valley of Fire, which we had wanted to camp in, but there's no way. That the campground was full. You have to get there early in the morning, and I figure, well, we're set up here. We might as well just stay here. But, oh, wow, there was some spectacular scenery on the way in, and so there's lots to see. Lake Mead has a lot of different areas. Although I saw one road was closed. I don't know why, but for Overton Bridge, which I don't really know much about that either. In fact, I don't know much about Lake Mead area at all, so this is all new to us, and so it'd be an adventure to explore. And we figure 3 days, it's not enough, but we'll know what we want to do next time. And we heard that the campground would be full because it's spring break time. So what a view, huh? And that ribbon there, that's a road. That's paved too. So it's not quite off the beaten track, but but it's still pretty out there. But I heard we're close enough to Vegas for there to be Wi-Fi signal and cell phone signals. Because everybody wants to stay connected nowadays. So let's take a look at there we go. They're probably going to be blooming in no time. I don't want to step on stuff. And you can tell it's a wash because all the stuff that's green along there. So you never want to put a tent down there. Now, right in front of me is another site, but we would have had to back into it. We didn't want to do that. And I sort of wanted to be in that site, which somebody just got. But that's okay too. That one wasn't quite as level. And it's a little bit closer to that guy, so I kind of wanted to be a little bit of a distance between people. I can't do much about it though. There's only so many spaces here. And a lot of the snowbirds are heading back north. So this is a stop along the way. And like I said, spring break. And we're getting close to the weekend. I'm sure this is, well, you can see that one has an ATV. So there must be a lot of that kind of terrain to explore. So I guess that's about it. This is a long video. I'll talk again. Bye.